Right, this is a set of TianDe Pro Comfort masks, which is for the face and for the neck. They simply look like this. Pro Comfort is a type of a mask which will look after your face, but it will also look after your neck. It specializes in one of the characteristics of them, which is creating a pressure between the mask and the skin, which will allow the ingredients to be literally pushed in through to the skin. So the effect of these masks are very, very good. They all come well with the whole treatment of the face, which is obviously the peeling, the toning, and then the mask. So we obviously advise to use TianDe products for that purpose. So there is several types of the masks. As we said, they look like this. We will see in this video as well how to use one and how it actually looks like. So let's go from the beginning. So this is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid bonds together the particles of water. So this is for all skin types, and it will provide you with a lot of moisture. So hyaluronic acid, a lot of moisture for all skin types. Now we've got Lingxi or Ganoderma mushroom. This is obviously a very effective mask for anti-aging purposes for mature skin and skin with pigment changes, so with the changes of color or with the blemishes. So this is the face mask for that purpose. Lingxi Ganoderma face masks. Coenzyme Q10 face mask, which contains, you can call it a natural youth hormone, which is coenzyme Q10, and it is also for all skin types. So it will bring back the youth of the skin. It will reconstruct the skin and bring it back to how it should be. So coenzyme Q10. Mineral complex. Mineral complex is for all types of the skin. It contains a lot of minerals inside, and it is for tired skin. So if somebody has got tired skin on the face, this is to be used on that. And this is also for somebody who is lacking minerals in the skin. So for tired skin and for all types of the skin. Now we've got lotus. Lotus flower is widely used in TianDe products. It is used for toning purposes and it is increasing the protective functions of the mask, of the face, of the skin. So this is for toning and improving the protective functions of the skin. Royal jelly and bee propolis. This is for oily skin and skin that is prone to inflammation. So this is something what we need to look out for if we've got problems with that kind of situations, that our skin is oily and it's prone to inflammation. This is the mask that we will be using. Also, we have got a pearl mask. Pearl mask is contains natural pearl powder. It will enable the skin to start the process of synthesis of elastin and collagen, and also pearl powder will neutralize free radicals. So this is also for all skin types, and it will lighten the face as well. The skin tone will go higher on the scale. There is also one more mask which it's not here on this video. It's a vitamin C mask, and it is for all skin types, also for pigmentation changes and for cuperosis. So this is the example of the masks that we use, and this is now, let's see now how they work. So what we have to do is, the moment we have got this, we open the sachet. So we've got a little place that we follow on the opening, and this is how it looks. So we open the sachet and we pull out the mask. As you can see, this is all soaked in the extract. It is actually dripping. So what we can do, we can actually squeeze it so the extracts in the mask will be less of them, and we put that on the side. So how is this going to look like? It is going to look like this. This is the mask that we would apply to our face. So as you can see, we've got places for eyes, for the nose, for a face, but also this is very important that we have a place for the neck. There is a lot of the times that we forget about our neck. So what we need to do is we need to remember to put that on our neck as well. So what you do with this, you put it on your face and on the neck after obviously applying the peeling. It's not necessary, but it's recommended. And then what you do, you leave it for 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Some people leave it longer. Afterwards, what you do with this is you can fold it back any way you want. And you can put it back to the sachet. If there is still a lot of fluid in there, you can put it back. And you can seal it with a clip and put it in the fridge. And this mask can be used approximately 3 times maximum. Well, maximum 3 times I would say. To be used again and again. So it's not only one use, it can be used 3 times. So if you are giving this to a customer, you can say that this is actually a 3-time use mask. Obviously, with the royal jelly and propolis, we would recommend to use only once because of the inflammation risk. We don't want to transport the bacteria. But this is to be used up to 3 times. It's made out of 100% cotton, and it is soaked in all the extracts that are in the niche of the mask. So this is what you do. You apply this on the face evenly, all over the face, and then you wait 15 minutes, maybe 20, if you want to, for this to take effect. And also, masks are a very important part of a facial care treatment, so we need to remember that they are integrated part of our face care treatments.